Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, what's the market share for Windows 11 as we are starting August 1st, 2023? So, in this month, in month of July, actually, Windows 11 pretty stagnant. Slight decline, but it's within the margin of error of this survey, basically. So if we look at the Windows market share, Windows 10 still very, very popular at 71.1% dominant. If we look at it, it's been slowly declining. So it lost close to 1%. So it was 71.19, go to 71.1, and here we're at 71.1. Well, actually stagnant, basically. So if we look at June, July, numbers are exactly pretty much the same. So no decline, no rise. People are holding on to Windows 10, and it's understandable why also, especially with the minimum requirements for Windows 11. If we look at Windows 11's numbers, 23.7% almost. For May was 22.9, June 23.9, and now it's 23.7. Like Windows 10, we can say it's pretty much stagnant. That 0.2% decline is not significant. It's, like I said, a margin of error. So unless it, dropped 1%, it's not really worth talking much about. But it does show one thing, is it didn't grow much. But then again, June, July, not exactly the time people will go and buy new PCs. Back to school is coming now for August. I would guess that August, September should bring Windows 11 to new heights, because PCs will be selling for school. So this is going to be interesting to see. If it doesn't rise within the next 2-3 months, I think we'll have hit a big problem with Windows 11 not really gaining market share. It's stuck. So we'll see what's going to happen, of course, until the end of the year. But Windows 10, of course, dominant. As for the rest, Windows 7 at 3.7, and then the other ones are insignificant at below 1% usage. We look at these numbers and we look at the rise. We do see a steady rise in Windows 11 here when we look at, from last year to now. But could that rise become more stagnant and less pronounced? That's going to be interesting. As for Windows 10, if we look from last year, if we look at Windows 10 August, so July of 2022, 72.2. August, 71.9. We're at 71.1. I think we haven't really seen much decline in Windows 10, actually. And there was even a rise here at some point at the beginning of the year because of different, Windows 8 going away and all of that. But Windows 10 isn't refusing to die, that's for sure. And it's obvious that over a year, there's really no decline in Windows 10 usage. That's going to be interesting. 2 years left, a little more than 2 years. What will Windows 12 be a game changer for that? I'm afraid when Microsoft is getting into some really interesting terrain here where an operating system totally refuses to go away. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.